Mr Gove has been appointed to the role of Commons Chief Whip. Mrs Morgan was first elected in 2010 and her rise to the front bench has been rapid. News of her promotion follows the announcement two long-serving Conservative Leicestershire Members of Parliament have left their ministerial posts in the latest reshuffle of the government. Rutland and Melton MP Alan Duncan has stepped down from his position as Minister of State for International Development. South Leicestershire MP Andrew Bartham has left his job as the Northern Ireland Minister, which he has had since October. Late last night Mr Duncan took to Twitter saying, "Finishing as a minister this eve by my own choice. Incredible 4 years at @FID_UK, proud of all we have achieved. On to adventures new." Mr Duncan told the Leicester Mercury he was not sure what those adventures new might be. He said, "I don't know. It was just a Delphi comment. I'm going voluntarily and I've never been happier, mate, never been happier. I've done 17 years on the front bench and I have had 4 years of very intense travel. When you are a front bencher you get trapped in your own brief a bit." Mr Duncan confirmed he would be defending his seat in the general election in May. Mr Duncan, who has served as an MP since 1992, was appointed to the International Development post in 2010, which has given him a remit covering the Middle East and Asia and relations with the United Nations and the EU. Mr Bartham was also first elected in 1992 and served in the Coldstream Guards and SAS between 1974 and 1989 and also in the Gulf War in 1991. In 2010, he became Minister for Defence Personnel, Welfare and Veterans and took on an Armed Services role in 2012 before being moved to the Northern Ireland office. Mr Bartham was among the first to congratulate Mrs Morgan on her new role but warned she had taken on a very tough job. He said, "It will be very hard work but I am a great fan of Nicky Morgan and she will do a very good job. She is very able." On his own departure from the Northern Ireland office he said, "I have had good run and I have enjoyed myself. I spoke to the Prime Minister last month and there is a case to bring forward a bit of new blood. I'm perfectly happy. It was mutually agreed. I'm certainly not weeping into my coffee this morning." He said he would now focus on defending his seat in May.